Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how to fix ChatGPT stuck on loading screen. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app loads properly. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then, temporary glitches can cause the app to get stuck while loading. So, closing the app completely may fix the problem. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system and remove any background issues. If you're using a browser, refresh the page and clear cache and cookies from the settings. Then, try using or loading the ChatGPT again. Make sure your app and browser is updated. Head over to your app store, search for ChatGPT, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause loading issues. If the issue still persists, wait for some time and try again later because servers may be busy. That's how you fix the ChatGPT stuck on loading screen. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.